Good morning. Let's look at the weather setup for Hobart, the 16th of December, 2025. This analysis was conducted at 12:45 Australian Eastern Daylight Time. We've got surface temperatures currently at 22 degrees, heading to a top of 22. If you find this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe to support continued severe weather analysis. Starting this morning, we can see how the atmosphere is set up. The atmosphere is relatively calm, with only 0 joules per kilogram of available energy. The air is relatively dry, with just 15 millimeters of moisture. Winds are shifting with height at about 27.1 meters per second. Cloud bases will sit higher, near 1782 meters. Through the afternoon, conditions will stay relatively unchanged, with energy holding near 0 joules per kilogram. With such minimal energy available, thunderstorm development is highly unlikely today. The good news is severe weather potential looks pretty low today. If storms develop, they'll likely be more scattered and disorganized. The hodograph shows relatively straight wind profiles without much turning. This suggests multicellular storms rather than supercells if anything develops. Remember, these are the ingredients, not the forecast. Always check the Bureau for official warnings. This atmospheric refractivity profile shows how radio waves bend through different layers of the atmosphere. It's critical for VHF and UHF propagation forecasting. When you see sharp gradients in the N profile, that's where radio ducting occurs, allowing signals to travel hundreds of kilometers beyond normal line of sight. These same stable layers also tell us where the atmosphere resists vertical motion, which matters for storm development, but the primary application here is understanding long-distance radio propagation conditions. Remember, this is just an analysis. Always check the Bureau of Meteorology for official warnings before making any decisions. This analysis is provided by Distant Curve Remote Area Telecommunications. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to support continued severe weather coverage for remote Australia. Stay safe and stay weather aware out there.